Maybe you can remodel a kitchen better than any of your competitors. Maybe your skills excavating a backyard for a swimming pool are excellent. Or maybe you've got top of the line mowers for your landscape business. Well, that's all great, but it means nothing if you aren't closing deals and putting cash in your pocket. So let's take a look at why sales is everything in your construction business. Sales versus marketing. Although most people tend to lump sales and marketing together in the same category, the two are quite different. While marketing is building awareness of your construction business and the services and products available to potential customers, sales is converting that viewership into profit. For example, if you own a home remodeling business, your marketing might include an interactive website, a presence on multiple social media platforms, a weekly email newsletter, and printed flyers that are mailed out to prospects. In this case, your sales process might include a dedicated team of sales agents. Then they collect phone numbers and emails from your marketing campaign, and they use those to make contact, follow up, and eventually close the lead. The processes that which you use for marketing and sales will differ from one another, and in this lesson we're going to focus on the sales process. So if you're currently looking to learn about marketing, be sure and check out our Marketing 101 lesson. But before we dive into the sales process, let's take a quick look at you and your team. Every team member drives sales. Like we've said many times during this course, you can't do this alone. Running a construction business is a team sport, and we're not just talking about your sales team. In fact, every single person, including yourself, is affecting the sales of your construction business in one form or another. For example, consider how a rude receptionist answering phone calls is enough to deter a potential client from hiring you and your team. Or on the contrary, consider how a polite, energetic receptionist can help a frustrated prospect change their attitude and even their final decision about the job. This is one of the reasons why this lesson is titled, Why Sales is Everything in Your Construction Business. It really is all-encompassing and part of the foundation of your entire business. Why you? When it comes down to it, isn't sales really the ability to quickly explain to a potential customer why they should do business with your construction company? We feel this is especially true considering how, these days, customers are overloaded with so much information about products, services, and businesses. So before you start thinking about any complex sales processes you've heard about, we recommend that you first sit down and consider why you. Why would someone choose your construction business over your competitor? What makes you better? Only you can truly answer this question, but we'll help you out with some insight. Problem solver. By now you should understand who your target audience is, but it's crucial you also understand what their problems are and how you can solve those problems. For example, let's say you get a call from a prospect who's already gotten quotes from 3 of your competitors. How can you quickly stand out? If you can clearly articulate the prospect's problem, the problem they're facing, and offer a quick, affordable solution to solve that problem, there's a pretty good chance you're already one step ahead of your competition. Listening carefully. Yep, we're all super busy these days. We've got work, emails, kids, social media, TV shows, you name it. So take a moment to pause and listen. What questions is your target audience asking? What types of products or services do you hear them complain about? How can these products or services be better? And is there any type of product or service that's not available that you can offer before one of your competitors does? And what do they love about their current vendor? Does the vendor offer something that you could be doing better? You must deliver. Don't make promises that you can't deliver. It's the kiss of death for any construction business. When you're dealing with someone's home or business, it's almost like they're trusting you with their baby. And as most of you already know, clients have a deep attachment to their property, particularly their homes. Consider the cost of a bad plumbing job in a restaurant. or accidentally destroying a homeowner's front lawn? Or how about bad concrete jobs right outside of a business location? And by cost, we're talking about the negative impact on your construction business. Closing a sale or getting new sales in the future, it'll be challenging if you don't fulfill your promise to the current clients. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit HeavyApe.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.